Hyderabad. Good evening guys, welcome to my new vlog. Kishay tumi sogli somdata sogli bori hai mo despashi haun Alicia Tiger ha gara.
Good evening guys, Kishay tumi sogli somdata hai mun bori.
आणि guys आम्ही येलो हा इव्हेंटाक ओके हो इव्हेंट गाइस आम्ही टिसल हॉटला हा आणि इव्हेंटा नाव जावन हा द ग्रँड टेक ओवर गाइस ओके सो आम्ही भितो गेल्ली गाइस ओके इतलो लोक अजून स्टार्ट जालो ना आता येलो हाय आम्ही भितो बेस्तो राउंड मारला येयले भायल्यान आणि पयलीं सद्या म्हणल्यार तुमकां हालो करूया गुड इवनिंग म्हणुया आणि तुमकां म्हणल्यार सांगया ओके आमी येलो हाय कितें गाइस
Yeah guys, it's a unique event. Kita tengale mashup ha, like so basically Mark Revlon will sing with Elaine, okay? It's not the whole band, but it's just like Mark Revlon.
It's gonna be one band.
One person from the band. So basically
Yeah.
Mark Revlon is like the main lead. So the muttalo and the royal band antule Elaine, okay? So the dogai muttali you do it. Okay, so I'm gonna Genny and Myron. So 7 notes and Injunktion. So it's like that. So but it's different. I'm दाखवतो तुमका.
होय गाइस हांव बारीकशें दाखयतलो तुमकां ऑलरेडी डीजे प्ले करता आणि आता शाइन ऑन बँड प्ले करता बट गाइस इतलो भितर क्राउड ना सद्याक देर इज लिटल बीट तुमकां हांव दाखयता ओके सो शाइन ऑन बँड आता प्ले करता ऑलरेडी मातशें बारीकशें दाखयता ओके आणि गाइस हो जावन हा आमगेलो ड्रेस कोड तुमकां दाखोवया ओके सो गाइस मातशें आयज मातशें दुसरो जायन येयला ओके जायत दिसानो आणि आलिशा आपल्या गेले तुमी जाणाय गाइस स्वताची भाशेन फ्लोरल शी लायक्स ओके टू वेअर स्पेशली फॉर द पार्टीज आणि गाइस तुमी जाणाय जेन्ना समर येता यू नीड समथींग डिफरंट टू वेअर सो एनीवेज गाइस तुमकां वयता भितर आनी तुमकां सगळें दाखयता ओके कितको इव्हेंट हा कितें गाइस तें तुमकां हांव सगळें दाखयता ओके आनी स्टार्टींग फ्रॉम शाइन ऑन बँड तेच्या पयलीं डीजे आहले ओके हांव नको तेच्या पयलीं खंयचे बँडायनूय प्ले केले जाल्यार बट नाव एट द मोमेंट गाइस शाइन ऑन बँड सो गाइस या भितर आनी तुमकां दाखोवया आनी तुमी जाणाय गाइस जेन्ना मातशी कॅप्चर करतलो इट्स गॉना बी समथींग डिफरंट ओके आनी हे पाटी गाइस हांव न्हू चिंतून येयला व्हडलो ब्लॉग करपा ना हें हांव स्वता म्हणटा तुमी जाणाय गाइस हांव व्हडलो ब्लॉग करपा ना म्हणटा बट गाइस तो एनी हाव जाता व्हडलो ओके सो हें म्हाका आयज बांदून घालन दोन दिसता म्हाका कित्याक हांव व्हडलो करीत म्हूण सो म्हाका पयलीं रिस्ट्रिक्शन पडलो हाय दिसतू गाइस दिसतू मागीर सगळीं दिसताय न्हू म्हाका सो सगल्यांकूय घेवपाक भोंवता मागीर मुगे कॅमेराचेर सो एनीवेज गाइस या आनी तुमकां दाखोवया सगळें ओके आनी गाइस समजता तुमी हो ब्लॉग एंड पर्या चोयतली आनी बारीकसो म्हाका सपोर्ट करतली म्हणून सो थँक्यू गाइस लव यू So guys, let me introduce Mac Attack. Mac Attack, what do you want to say?
I think I'm having fun and I hope you're having fun too.
Yes guys, we'll see you in a bit. So let's make a blast, let's have a blast. Let's chance guys. Let's chance guys.
Me and Auntie enjoyed today.
Rosalina, Rosalina, kita ko tumaga morena, sapna tuji, mitong dina, ritin dawan gele, ritin dawan gele. Sorry. Say hi, say. Dream girl.
this beautiful duet in Konkani for you by the great Alfred Rose and Rita Rose. Ladies and gentlemen, the lovely Elaine Pinto in the house for you.
Hot conversation called very hot conversation.
Nice to see you. Good to see you too.
Good to see you. Good to see you. गाइस तुमकां दाखयता आयचो केटरर जावन आमगेलो ओ पात्रांव आनी ओ पात्रांव गेले दोन तुमकां सांगतले आमगेले डीश कितें आहा आनी जेवण केसलें सगलें गाइस तुमकां तें सांगतलें
Okay, O Patra is originally from Vagator, and all the way he's come from Goa to here to give us the taste, the authentic Goan taste. We have beef chili, sausage rolls, we have wings, fries, and a lot of other dishes here today. So I think hopefully everyone would like it. And O Patra, yes, of course.
So guys, let me tell you in short, okay? तुम्ही सांगाय ओ पात्रां तुमकां कितें जेवण जाय ऑर्डर जावं कसली guys, any food guys, any Goan food they do.
We'll put the phone number here, guys.
Number 1, O Patra.
Goa's number 1, O Patrão.
O Patra is by Edison from Dona Paula.
And Anika.
And Anika from Vagator.
O Patrão, no Patrão, also yeah. Edison. तुम्ही जाणा आसतले आमगेलो फामाद वन ऑफ द बेस्ट सिक्युरिटी ट्रिपल एच हॅबिटो आणि तुम्ही चोयला आसतली शो बिजाक द सिक्युरिटी वॉज फ्रॉम हॅबिटो ट्रिपल एच आणि तुमकां द मेन गोवा डे गायज वन ऑफ द हॅपनिंग गायज सो ट्रिपल एच विल बी देयर फॉर योर प्रोटेक्शन एंड वन ऑफ द बेस्ट सिक्युरिटी ऑलवेज टॉप लव यू हॅबिटो यू वांट टू से समथिंग
Protected.
सी यू गाइस ऑन 2nd August लव यू गाइस O Patrão. So guys, here's Giselle and Giselle will introduce Shine On Band.
The wonderful shining band.
And guys, to be honest, we love all Shine On Band. Love you guys, love you, love you, love you. Stenson, tu kit dista, how you feel?
Energy is really crazy over here. We loved our trip in UK and many more gigs to kill.
Thank you, thank you. What about you guys?
Having a good time in the UK with the lovely people out here, and as a band, we love performing for people who love music.
What about you?
Cheers, guys! We love you.
We love you too. What about you, Tom?
I love everybody. I love
Pretty
everybody.
lady, man, one of the top lady. Love you, love you, love
Thank
you.
you so much for that.
And you, boy.
UK, the crowd was amazing. Thank you for everything. Cheers.
Thank you, thank you. And yes, bro, not forget you.
Just happy to be here. Yeah, awesome. Just happy to be here.
Love you, Shine On Man, love you. And guys, everything is under protection. Triple H, Habito. Let me introduce Edward, you know, one of the best restaurant poachers to be done in Reading, one of the famous one. What do you want to say?
Enjoy, guys.
Love you, love you.
DJ Ryan Brito and DJ Joel. I love DJ Joel, along with KK Sonic, the musician table.
This is for Scott. Love you, Scott. This is my friend Scott.
Where you will experience unforgettable emotions.
जिंदाबाद
Thank you. Love you.